Today, Joe and I are going to show you the best way to unclog your kitchen sink with this old-fashioned plunger.
Okay, now that we have the plunger that we trust to do this job, we just want to say, first of all, this is probably going to be much easier to do with two people. So one person can work this side of the sink and one person can push on this plunger. I mean, it works much better two-handed. And the next thing is that we both have gloves on. And that is because if you have drain chemicals down in here, you do not want that getting in your skin. And put some eye gear on, some eye protection, just in case something splatters, it won't hit you in the eye. But the main thing I want to show you guys is if you don't have the other side of the sink stopped up right here, the force of this plunger is just going to come right up through the other side of that sink. Just like that. So we're going to get Renee to throw that cup in there, the strainer, and you'll be able to see without Renee holding that down that when you try to plunge on this, it's just going to push that strainer up.
And all the nastiness.
Yeah, so all the force is just coming right up the other side of the sink. So now we're going to get Renee to actually hold down on that. So whatever work we do with this plunger is going to actually put some force down the drain and get that clog busted loose.
I also want to say that, you know, just because you've done it a couple of times does not mean that the sink is going to unclog. You may have to do this several times in order to get the clog to break loose. But I want to say that we have had many success stories with this technique. Now that is what we're looking for. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to ask any questions in the comments below if you need to know something. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.